Happy Friday, 8th graders. Today we are going to be doing our practice distance learning day. Today you will be responsible to check in at the Teams meet. That is for attendance. If you're not able to make it, you need to fill out the Module 4 sheet and hand it to me on either Monday or Tuesday, depending on which day, if you're an A or a B student. Today you'll be responsible to pick up where you left off on modules 1 through 3. Those are the Concord modules. You will find them in the Teams chat. Click on that link and you will start if you are behind, and let's say you're most of the way through number 3. That's where you would pick up, and then you would be responsible to finish number 3 today, as well as finish number 4. Module 4 is the one that we will be completing today in order to basically get your attendance points. If you don't have your packet, let's say you left it at school or you can't find it, that is okay. What you need to do is you need to make sure that you grab a notebook, piece of paper, and you need to answer each question for each module on the piece of paper. If any of the questions say take a snapshot or draw a cross section, do not worry about those. Those we will skip. Okay, if you have any questions about any of the module stuff, you can shoot me a message on Teams. And if you are done with those 4 modules, your last responsibility will be to finish any of the lessons 1 through 12 that you have not already completed. So if you're behind, today would be a great day to finish up a couple lessons and get caught up. Again, if you have any questions, shoot me a message on Teams and I'll be happy to answer. And we'll see you hopefully during the Teams meet. Have a great Friday, everybody.